Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Kami daripada kumpulan Aluminium Pot ingin memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Muhammad ZIQRULHAQ bin AEDRINOL. Nombor metrik B1325-10707.
Nama saya HARIZ FAISAL bin SHAFIEI. Nombor metrik B1325-10643.
Nama saya BADRUL bin ZAMAT. Nombor metrik B1325-10679.
Nama saya Muhammad KHAIRI bin ARIFF. Nombor metrik B1325-10653.
Nama saya Muhammad IZZAT SYAWAL bin ZULKIPLI. Nombor metrik B1325-10640.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we are going to present about aluminium pot. What is the process required to create an aluminium pot? First is raw material selection. The main raw material is aluminium ingots or recycled aluminium scrap. Next is aluminium is chosen because it is lightweight, corrosion resistant and distribute heat efficiently. And next, the raw material is inspected to ensure it is clean and free from impurities. Next part is melting process. Melting process, aluminium is placed in a furnace and heated to around 660 degrees Celsius, its melting point. Alloying element may be added to improve strength and durability, and it is impurities, slag are removed to produce clean molten aluminium.
The casting process. Aluminium is shaped into the basic geometry of the pot using mold. Two common casting techniques are applied. Gravity casting. The molten aluminium flow into the mold naturally using gravity force. Die casting. Molten aluminium is injected under high pressure into a steel mold. Procedure height dimension accurate. Result in smoother surface finish. After casting, the aluminium is allowed to cool and solid into a semi-finished pot shape. Next, the casting aluminium shape is transferred to forming machine to achieve the final dimension shape of the pot. This is using metal spinning machine, hydraulic press. Second, forming ensure uniform wall thickness, correct pot dimension, strength and durability.
Next is trimming and machining. Trimming is the process of removing excess material from a product after it has been formed, shaped and molded. So the purpose of this process is to access aluminium burrs and then to make the edge are smooth and rounded, and then to make the bottom surface is refined so the pot can sit flat and stable at the stove. So there's a 5 types of machine in this process, which is trimming press, rubbering machine, and then edge rolling machine, and then the CNC lathe machine, and the last one is a bottom machining machine. So for the next process is a heat treatment process. Heat treatment process is the process where the aluminium pot is heated and then the cooled in a controlled way. The purpose of is not to melt the aluminium but to improve the metal mechanical properties. So this process will strengthen the aluminium, stabilize the shape of pot, and then increase durability, and then prepare the surface for the next process for polishing.
For surface finishing and polishing, first, the pot is polished using polishing machine. Second, scratch and rock surface are removed. And last, some pot undergo anodizing to improve corrosion resistance and surface hardness. For assembly, first, handles are attached using screw or rivets, and last, lead component aluminium or glass are assembled if the product includes one.
Next step is cleaning. After the pot is shaped and formed, it must be cleaned before any final finishing or packaging. The goal is to remove anything left from manufacturing such as dust from grinding or sanding, oil and grease from machinery, metal shaving or residue from casting and cutting. The common cleaning method is hot water rinsing, steam cleaning and chemical wash. Next is quality control. Before the pot are packed and shipped, each one must pass quality check to ensure it meets safety and performance standard. Inspector need to check for any crack, dent or casting defect. Second one is even wall thickness. Third one is strong and secure handle. And fourth one is smooth surface and safe finishing. And last one is food grade safety compliant.